Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to compare two popular supplement fulfillment platforms, Supliful and Rocktomic. If you are an entrepreneur or a fitness enthusiast looking to start your own supplement brand, you've come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to compare each of these platforms' pros and cons to help you make a better choice if you want to choose one of them. First up, let's talk about Supliful. Supliful is a platform designed to help entrepreneurs create and sell their own supplement brand without the need for significant upfront investment. They offer a wide range of products, including vitamins, protein powders, and other health supplements, which you can customize with your own branding. Now, their pros or their strengths include low upfront cost. You don't need to buy inventory in bulk. You pay as you sell. Now, another thing is the ease of use. The platform is user-friendly, making it easy to design and launch your products. And also, they have fast fulfillment. They handle the manufacturing, packaging, and shipping, ensuring quick delivery to your customers. Also, there are no minimum orders. This is great for small businesses just starting out as there is no minimum amount you have to apply to. Now, however, there are some cons or drawbacks to consider. They do have limited customization. While you can add your own branding, the product formulations are fixed, which might limit your creativity. Also, the higher cost per limit. Because you're not buying in bulk, the cost per product can be bigger or higher compared to traditional wholesale options. Now, let's look at Rocktomic. Rocktomic is another white label supplement manufacturing platform, but with a slightly different approach. They offer a wide range of products and allow for more extensive customization, including custom formulations and packaging. Now, their pros or strengths include extensive customization. You can create unique formulations and packaging that stands out to the market. Also, they have bulk pricing option. If you are ready to invest in larger quantities, you can get better pricing per unit. And finally, the quality control. They do emphasize high quality ingredients and rigorous testing. However, there are some cons or drawbacks to consider as well. The higher upfront costs are one of them. The custom formulations and bulk orders require a significant investment, and that is, of course, to be expected. Also, the longer lead times. Creating custom products take time, so you might face longer production and shipping times. Also, the complexity. The process can be more complex, which might be overwhelming for beginners. So, in the end, the final verdict. Which platform should you choose? If you're just starting out and want to test the waters without a huge investment and you don't mind the limited customization options, Supliful might be the better option for you. Its low upfront costs, ease of use, and no minimum orders make it ideal for entrepreneurs who want to get their brand out quickly and with minimal risks. On the other hand, if you have a clear vision of your brand and are ready to invest in creating a unique product line, Rocktomic could be the way to go for you. The ability to fully customize your products and take advantage of bulk pricing can give you a competitive edge in the well-saturated supplement market. Now, ultimately, the decision comes down to your business goals, budgets, and how much control you want over your product line. Both platforms are great. You cannot go wrong with any of them. They both offer great opportunities to build a successful supplement brand. So consider your priorities and choose the one that aligns best with your vision. And I do encourage you to go ahead and see for yourself. Go to each platform's website to view and learn more about their services, plans, pricing, and what they can offer you for your supplement business. Because in the end, as I told you, it all comes down to your priorities and the only one who can decide is yourself. So make sure to look for this thoroughly and compare the benefits, strengths, and weaknesses of each platform here to decide for yourself which one is best suited for you and which one is worth investing your time and money in.